Hi students, now the topic is analysis of flue gas by Arsat's apparatus. Generally, what is first the definition is what is fuel gas? Flue gas. Flue gas is the gaseous product formed after combustion of a fuel in a internal combustion engine. That means the gaseous products always formed after combustion in an internal combustion engine. Those gaseous products which are formed after combustion in an internal combustion engine is called as flue gas. The flue gases are generally formed flue gases are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and excess of the oxygen. So, for the proper and efficient combustion of a fuel, it is essential that the fuel comes in contact with sufficient quantity of air to burn all the combustible matter present in it. So, if sufficient air is comes in contact with fuel in the internal combustion engine, then efficient combustion of the fuel takes place in the engine and it cannot produce any combustible matter. So, the analysis of flue gases gives an idea about the complete or incomplete combustion of the fuel or complete or incomplete combustion of the process. So, in case of the incomplete combustion, the in case of the incomplete combustion, the concentration of carbon monoxide will be more. The concentration of carbon monoxide in the is more. It shows less supply of the oxygen for combustion process. If excess of the carbon monoxide is released as a flue gas, that indicates that it's incomplete combustion, and it also indicates that the less supply of the oxygen for the combustion process. If the flue gas analysis results in more percentage of the oxygen, it means more oxygen is supplied for combustion. So if more oxygen is supplied for the combustion process, it releases the flue gases with more percentage of the oxygen. So the general analysis of the flue gas is used to measure the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, and nitrogen in the flue gases. So this is the introduction about the flue gases. Now it's time to explain the RSATS apparatus. This is the RSATS apparatus. This RSATS apparatus is used for the analysis of the flue gas. This is the burette or graduated burette used for the measuring flue gases. It is present in a water jacket and it is connected to the water reservoir with a rubber tubing, and this graduated burette connected with three absorption tubes. The first absorption tube contains KOH solution. The second absorption tube contains alkaline pyrogallic acid. Alkaline pyrogallic acid. Third tube contains ammonical cuprous chloride solution. And these three tubes connected to a U-shaped tube which contains fused calcium chloride and along with glass wool. So this is the setting of the flue gas apparatus or RSATS apparatus. So in this apparatus has a measuring burette with water jacket. There are three absorption bulbs or tubes fitted with stopcocks. Absorption bulbs fitted with stopcocks, each and connected to the measuring burette. The bulbs are connected to U-shaped U-tube packed with glass wool. Water jacket maintains this water jacket is used for the maintaining constant temperature in the graduated burette. In these three bulbs, the first one has a KOH solution. This KOH solution is made by adding 250 grams of KOH in 500 ml of the distilled water to absorb any carbon dioxide gas present in the flue gas or any carbon dioxide present formed during the combustion. Next, the second bulb has alkaline pyrogallic acid. This alkaline pyrogallic acid is made by 20 grams, 25 grams of the pyrogallic acid, which is used for the absorption of the oxygen in the flue gas. And the third bulb has the ammonical cuprous chloride solution. This ammonical cuprous chloride solution is used for the absorption of carbon monoxide and oxygen gas. So all these three bulbs absorbs carbon dioxide gas, oxygen gas, and carbon monoxide gas. So the remaining gas is nitrogen. So after absorption of all these gases, the remaining gas can be nitrogen. So it can also be determined by using this RSATS apparatus. So next one. This graduated burette connected by a rubber tubing to a leveling bottle. This leveling bottle contains 25% solution of NaCl, which is acidified with a few drops of the HCl and methyl RM indicator. After absorption, that means first the flue gases are passed into this U-shaped tube which contains calcium chloride solution. This calcium chloride solution absorbs any water vapor present in the flue gas. Then they are passed through these three absorption tubes. After absorption of carbon dioxide, oxygen, and carbon monoxide, the remaining gases can be passed into the burette. So after absorption in each of the three bulbs, the gas is sent to burette and the volume of gas is measured at room temperature. So the decrease in the volume of, so due to the absorption, the volume decreases, which corresponds to carbon dioxide, oxygen, and carbon monoxide in the three bulbs. So the quantitative analysis of the flue gas absorbed is made by gas chromatography. So by using gas chromatographic technique, we can determine or we should determine the which amount of the gas can be, what amount of gas is absorbed on each of the bulb. So the gas remaining in the burette after absorption of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and oxygen is taken as the nitrogen gas. By knowing the volume of these gases absorbed and the volume of original gases, their percentages can be calculated. So by knowing the volumes, we can calculate the percentages of these gases. That means carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, and oxygen present in the flue gas. So this is the measurement of the or analysis of the flue gas by RSATS apparatus. So the main setting of this RSATS apparatus contains a U-shaped tube and three absorption bulbs and a burette which is present in the water jacket. Okay. This is about the RSAT apparatus for the measurement of the flue gases.